So here if I click here, I can take this one computer like this, drag and drop, and then I can take the connection here, click this and connect from here to here. So now I have the two computer. I will click this one, then after that go to desktop and here click and write the IP address. As we discussed the IP, like what IP we are using 192.168 like that. So let me assign this one 192.168.1.1. okay, 192.168.1.1 I can write, I can click here, so automatically subnet mask will come, and this is the IP I assigned to this computer. I will cancel this and I can put the label here. So by seeing the label I can know what IP I assigned to this computer. Then I will go here, I will change here, this is also label I assign, and then I will copy, I will go to this computer, I will go to desktop, I will assign this IP here and click here. That's all. This way we will assign the IP. This is the basic thing, we can assign the IP. Later we are going to discuss this in detail. Just for basic ping connectivity purpose I am just showing you this one. Later we will see how to download this software, how to install this software, how to use this software. We are going to discuss all this stuff in the coming classes. So now what we done, just we assign the IP. Now I want to check this computer can reach to this computer or not. He can talk from here to here or not, or this guy can talk with this guy or not. We need to verify that one. So for that purpose what I will do, I will click this computer, I will click the command prompt here, and then here I will check. How I can check? I will write ping and give space and write the IP address. We are here, I need to check this one is working or not. So here I will type this one, I will write 192.168.1.2 and press enter. So if you see reply is coming back, so we can say both are talking to each other. So we have the reachability. If reply is not coming back, then we can say we have some issue and we need to do the troubleshooting. So ping command we can use for testing the connectivity. And after that what we have here, this computer, and then I want to reply back, like this PC want to talk with this PC, so he need to send the information here. Just now we ping. So when he is sending the information, we need to have some detail. What detail we need means, we need the, when we are sending the Ethernet frame, we need source IP, we need destination IP. We need source IP, we need the destination IP, we need the source MAC address, we need the destination MAC address. When we have all this information, we will send this packet from here to here. If we don't have the, from where you will get this information means, this is the source. This computer who is sending the information, we call that computer as a source. And the computer who is receiving the information, we call that computer as a destination. So this IP you already know, and this is your computer, so your MAC address also you know, and you want to go to this IP, so you know this IP also, but you don't know the MAC address of this computer. Okay, so one packet will go, that is known as ARP. He will go and he will bring the MAC address of this computer. So ARP, we can say ARP is nothing but address resolution protocol, is a protocol which is going to get the MAC address over the IP address. So he will come here, hi, I am coming from this IP, this is my IP, this is my MAC address, I need the MAC address of this IP. So this guy will give his MAC address and it will come back, and they will put here in the packet. After that ping will start. So MAC, where we will get the MAC, if you see here in this one, if you go in the interface, this interface, you can see this is a MAC address of the computer, NIC card. This is the MAC address of this computer, I will put here. Okay, and this computer also MAC address. How we will check? We will go here, config, go to interface 0, and you can copy. This is the MAC address. Anything, any issue, anything, or shall I go slow, or shall I repeat again? Did you understand what I am doing here, or you are facing? Repeat, you mean repeat that topic, or what you are saying? Okay. Yeah. See here, first of all, whenever we want to talk to anyone, we need some information. Without that information we cannot talk. So what information we need? We need source IP. Source means the computer who is going to start talking, who is going to send the information. That computer is known as source. And one is destination, who is going to receive the information. That computer is known as destination. So we need source IP and we need destination IP if you want to talk to each other. And also we need source MAC address and we need the destination MAC address. When we have all this information, we can send the packet from here to here. This information you can get from here, this computer, and this information you can already know because you want to go to that place. So you have this information. This is information you have already, it is in your LAN card, but this information you don't know. So ARP protocol is a protocol who is going to go from here to here, and he will say, hi, I am coming from 192.168.1.1 and this is my MAC address. I need the MAC address of this IP. So this computer will reply, he will say, okay, this is my MAC address, and he will send back. So this ARP packet is going to bring back that MAC address and give to him. So he will put the MAC address here, then he will send the ping packet. So I will show you how it works. So first of all, if you want to check the MAC address, we will go to this command prompt. Here I will delete, because if I write ARP-A, ARP-A, I have already this entry because we ping, so they get the information. What information they get? This IP is having this MAC address. How they learn? They learn dynamically. So already this information is present, so they will not send the ARP packet. They have already this one, so they will take this and put in the packet and they will send. But now what I will do, I will delete this ARP-D, so it will delete it. If I check, nothing is there. With this command we can check, with this command we can delete. When I write this command again to check, nothing is present here because I deleted. So now again I ping. If I ping again from here to here, our packet will go. So now we need to check. So if you see here, you have here real time and simulation. If you click the simulation, it will show us the packet. Example, I want to ping from here to here. So what I will do, you can use this method also. Click this one, so you will have the packet. Click in this computer and click again in this computer. If you see, you have two packets here. Because this computer is not having the MAC address of this computer, so he will send the ARP packet. This green color, if you put the mouse here, you will see ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. So we can say Address Resolution Protocol is a protocol which is going to get the MAC address over the IP address. So he will go here, I will say, hi, I am coming from 192.168.1.1. My MAC address is 00D0- this all, and I need the MAC address of 192.168.1.2. So this guy will reply, he will say, okay, I am this 192.168.1.2 and this is my MAC address, and this green packet will bring back again. Then he will put that information in this one and he will send the actual ping packet. So in this one, what you have here, if you see, this is the IP packet. Which IP version we are using? Version 4. And who is the source IP? Source means the guy who is sending. Who is the destination IP? Destination IP means where we are sending here, and he will see here the checksum value if any error is there or anything. So they have source IP, destination IP, here checksum value, any error, anything. And if you see the ARP, if you see this ARP, this packet, this is just like 7-layer output. We will click here so you can get this information here. So when I click here, you can see this is the ARP. Okay, and this is a source address. Here it is available. Destination, nothing is showing, just putting FFF. FFF is nothing but 255.255.255. When you have all a 255, that means this packet need to do broadcast. This packet need to send to everyone, because this computer don't know where this IP is available. Now I have only 2 computers directly connected, but imagine if you have 100 computer connected here. by using switch. If we have 100 computer, how he should send to this one? He will send to everyone, and from that all the computer, one computer is going to reply who is having that IP. So for that purpose he is sending to FFF. So here if you see, they are saying that one source means I am coming from here 192.168.1.1, and this is my source MAC address, and I need to get the target MAC address. I don't know target MAC address, this MAC address, and I need who is target. So this computer, that is 192.168.1.2 is a target. So he's saying I am coming from here and this is my MAC address and I need the MAC address of this IP. Our packet is saying this one. Okay, or any confusion still again? Hello? Yeah. So after that, if I play this one, this will go here. When it come here, and if you open, you can ignore this now. This is a OSI model, just is saying which layer working. Now you can click. When you see inbound means coming from here to here. If you see click outbound means going from here to back. That output will show in the outbound. So first click here, and if you see here, what we can see here, here we are having the address, because this guy address is nothing, packet coming from here. We are seeing the inbound means coming from here to here. So here we are saying it should go to everyone, and this is the MAC address of this computer, and he is saying this is my MAC address and this is my IP address. I need the MAC of this computer. Is incoming. Outgoing means this guy is replying back to him. So when he is replying, he will become source. When he is sending the information, he will become source, and who is receiving, that guy will become as a destination. So this guy is replying, so this guy MAC address, whatever the MAC address we copy here, same thing here. If you see, that will, he is saying this is my MAC address and this is my IP address, this guy is saying, and send this information to this MAC address and this IP address. So already when this packet come here, he told that I am coming from this IP, this MAC. So that's why this guy is saying this is my MAC, this is my IP, send this back to these guys, this MAC and this IP. Okay, so now this packet is having the information, and again if you click, it go back to here, and then he will enter the ARP entry in the table, and after that he will send the ping packet. So if you see now, ping packet is going here, the blue color one. If you open the ping packet, what information you have here? You have here your MAC address and where you need to go, that MAC address, and this is your IP address where you need to go, that IP address. As I told, whenever we want to send any information, you should have 4 things. You should have your IP address, your MAC address, and where you want to go, that IP address and that MAC address. So ARP go there and ARP bring that one and he give us. So we put in that packet saying that one, I need to go to this MAC address, and this is my MAC address. Source means my, destination means where we need to go. Same thing here, he is saying this is my IP where I need to go here. When they put everything, they will send this packet. Okay, and after that one, you can click the real, and you can go here and you can write in the command prompt ARP-A. With that one you will get the entry. If you write ARP-A, you will see the entry. You have the entry here saying that one 192.168.1.1 is having this MAC address. So now when you send again this example, if I again I will go to the simulation. If I send again this packet from here to here, you will have only one packet. You will not have 2 packets, because ARP entry already present here. So it is going only one packet. It is coming back to one packet. You are, because you already have the ARP entry. Okay.